You are going to love the Keeney adjustable fill valve. It is so easy to install. It adjusts from 9.5 to 13.5 inches, enabling it to fit most toilets, with a safety ring to secure height adjustments. There are other notable features, including the critical level or CL mark and the thumb screw adjustment. We will show you how to use these later. Super easy. The fill valve also has a fast fill design, maximizing the tank fill speed, and an anti-siphon design. We've thought of everything. You will need a sponge, bucket, tape measure, and scissors. Do not run with the scissors. First things first, turn off the water supply and flush until the tank is empty. Soak up any remaining water with a sponge. From under the tank, remove the supply line and undo the lock nut. Remember to place a bucket underneath the water supply lock nut. Then you can easily take out the old fill valve and refill tube. Before inserting the new fill valve, you will need to adjust the valve to the right height. Push or pull until you have the desired height. You will lock in place by replacing the safety ring. This is important or your toilet will not flush properly. Make sure that the CL, critical level mark found on the fill valve is at least 1 inch above the top of the overflow pipe, which is a plumbing code requirement. After attaching the tank seal washer, you can insert the threaded end of the valve through the hole and screw the lock nut onto the shank. It is important not to over-tighten the lock nut, so hand tighten only. This is a Superman-free zone. Now you can go ahead and reconnect the water supply line. Attach the refill tube to the new fill valve and cut to your desired length. Throw away any excess tubing. Attach the other end of the refill tube to the flush valve overflow pipe. Finally, to set the shutoff point, you will need to take the following simple steps. Turn the thumb screw adjustment clockwise to raise the water level, or counterclockwise, unsurprisingly, to lower the water level. Adjust the shutoff point to match the level on the flush valve or toilet tank wall. If the water level is not marked, adjust the shutoff to at least 1 inch below the overflow tube. You may need to flush the toilet a few times to reach the desired water level in the tank. You can now turn on the water supply to the toilet and check for any leaks. Job done. It's important to remember that these parts are designed for a hand-tight installation. Note this is not the time for testing your Superman strength. Pipe thread compound should not be used.